Hi, this is Padmini from MangaloreCity.in back with another food recommendation video which is brought to you by Aruna Masalas. Hope you guys are doing fine and staying home and staying safe. Today's video is about a restaurant which is decades old in Mangalore, and I've already tried food from here earlier. If you've seen my earlier video, you will get to know that I've already tried food from here and I loved it. So today's video is again about a restaurant, Palki. Yes, this is a very famous restaurant in Mangalore, and I love the food I ordered from there last time, so I thought I'll order again and see how it is and recommend all the good items that you can try at Palki. So come on, let us see what I have ordered, and I will tell you about each and every item that I've got on my plate today. So first I have the aloo methi pulao, the Shanghai fried rice, squid butter garlic, mutton pepper fry, and prawns salt and pepper. So here is a combination of chicken, seafood and mutton. So as I earlier told you that I'm not a mutton fan, but last time I ordered mutton from here, it was just so yum and juicy that I thought I'll order again and try it again. So squid, many of you have eaten squid and know that if squid is overcooked, it becomes chewy, and prawns also, overcooked prawns becomes hard. So let me see how they have sent me the squid and prawns today. So the aloo methi pulao is something different, not like your vegetable pulao. So I'm really excited to try out this. Here is the Shanghai fried rice. The people who love Chinese have to watch this video and see how it is. The aroma of the squid butter garlic is too good. I can already sense the small pieces of butter garlic in my mouth just by the aroma. So excited to try this again. Even though I'm not a mutton fan, I'm really excited to try mutton from Palki because last time I ordered from here, it was too good. So here's mutton pepper fry. So here is prawns salt and pepper, a unique dish. Looks interesting. Looks like a deep fried prawns with a lot of garlic. And finally, my favorite, chicken chili kebabs. So I'm super excited to try out these new items from Palki, and are you? So watch the video till the end to know how these items tasted, and do try out them as soon as possible. First let me try with my favorite, the chicken. This is a boneless chili chicken kebabs. Very soft, I'm sure very well cooked. You know what's the best thing about chicken? When it's cooked perfectly, and the really juicy chicken is something that wins my heart, and this chicken is exactly the same thing I was looking for, and this has definitely won my heart. Really yummy. Now let me go for squid butter garlic. As I told you, overcooked squids are always a little chewy. So here I go for the first bite. Nice. The flavor of the garlic and the butter is enhanced, which makes it perfectly looking for squid butter garlic, a must try from Palki. Now the prawns, salt and pepper. As you see, it's a deep fried prawns with a lot of garlic and a lot of herbs. Let me take the bite. This is again perfectly cooked, not overcooked. The spices have blended well. Really nice. I'm not able to stop with one. I want to try another one, but let me go for the next item, that is mutton pepper fry. Perfectly cooked again. If I keep eating mutton from Palki, I'm definitely going to be a mutton lover than a chicken lover because it is so good, so yum. My thoughts about mutton have definitely changed after trying out mutton dishes from Palki. So now let me go for the main course, the aloo methi pulao and Shanghai fried rice. They have sent me some raita. This is onion and tomato raita, and also some mint raita. So aloo methi pulao, guys, I'm trying it for the first time, believe it or not. Too good. Too good. Though it looks bland, it is not. The potatoes are cooked perfectly. The spices have been added really well, and it balances your main course after all the spicy and tasty starters that you had. Now time for some Shanghai fried rice. Lot of pieces of chicken, eggs. Okay. Perfect. The rice is cooked well, the chicken, the eggs, everything is really good. So these items from Palki are again a super duper hit. I have become a fan of Palki now. So as I told you, these items are all perfectly cooked. The masalas are perfectly blended and no complaints. It is too good, yummy, and my lunch is sorted for today. What are you waiting for? Try out these items from Palki as soon as possible and thank me later. So this is Padmini signing off. Do like, share, subscribe this video, and I'll see you guys soon with another food unwrapping video which will be brought to you by Aruna Masalas. The best masalas for your home, your kitchen and your food. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.